Presenting the 2015 BMW 4 Series, the ultimate driving machine. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine. With fewer than 4,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, a spoiler, an alarm system, keyless entry, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, push-button start, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, iPod integration. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Our certified pre-owned models have less than 60,000 miles and have passed a rigorous inspection by BMW trained technicians. With a 6-year, 100,000-mile protection plan, you can drive with peace of mind. Emit style and class with a certified pre-owned BMW, the ultimate driving machine. This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."